Yes, and I did a search on it and there's nothing coming up for that. I don't believe we carry the watch band for this watch, but what you may do is send us an email with a picture of the watch to customer service at totalwatchrepair.com, and we can see if we have any bands that might be a match for it. If you can try to also measure the width of the band, where the band and the watch connect from lug to lug, if you can measure. I see. Okay. No, I don't believe we carry that band. Another option is for you to send that watch in to us so we can actually customize a band to it, something that we can make fit for the watch. And we will let you know which band it is that we're selecting first. Get your permission first if you know, like that band, want that band, we can go ahead and place the band on. Oh, okay. Okay. With the rubber bands, hold on just a moment, I'll find out. Okay, hold on just a moment. It's a Pulsar watch with a rubber band, and they don't see any case numbers on the back.